Hey kids, so today I'm going to show you how I created one of the Scratch program by selecting one of the topic that were given to you during your CFU. Okay, so what were the topics given? This was the first topic, cheer your friend, then keep life fun and friendly, then the annual concert, and then the tryout music. So I'm selecting topic number 3, that is annual concert. Now the first thing given over here is add the spotlight backdrop as shown in the image. So that is our first step. Okay, so let me open my program. This is the project that I created, a new starter project. I have renamed the project as final project dash my name dash 3A or 3B, whatever grade you are in. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to select a backdrop. So I'll go over here, select a backdrop. Let me check. If I go in music, I get the spotlight backdrop. I've selected the backdrop now. So my first step is done. Second step is add a performer sprite of your choice. Place this performer sprite under the spotlight on stage. So I need a person over here now who is going to sing the song. So I go in the sprites pane, I go in the sprites library and I select people. Now let's select music. In music we have singer 1. So we can select the singer. Okay. So I've selected the singer. Let me place the singer in the center below the spotlight. Okay, so place this performer sprite under the spotlight on stage. So we are done with this second step. Now third step is make this performer sing by using singer 2 sound. Okay, so now we are supposed to add a sound. But before adding the sound, let me add an event block so that whenever I click on the green flag, my Scratch program will start working. Okay, then I'll go in sound. I'll select play sound pop until done. Okay, now I go in the sounds library, the sounds tab. I open the sounds library from here and I select singer. So I go down because it's alphabetically, so I search for S. Okay, now I'm here. So as singer 2, right? Let me check once again. Yes, we are supposed to add singer 2 sound. So we have singer 1, we have singer 2 also. So I'm adding singer 2 sound over here. Then I go back to my code and I select place sound singer 2 from here. So this was my third step. Now my fourth step is add 3 sprites of your choice and make them say some positive dialogues about the song. Okay, so we will add 3 sprites now. Okay, those who will be there as an audience. So I go in the sprites library again. I go in people and I select few people from here. So I may select, maybe I may select Abby. Then I may select Avery. Then let me select one more. Suppose I am selecting Kia. Okay, so these are the people I have selected. I'll place the people like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add one dialogue to each. Okay, now as you can see, Abby is looking towards that side. So I may go in the costume and I may flip Abby horizontally so that she looks towards Avery so that both of them can have a conversation. Okay, go back in code. Okay, for Abby, let's add an event first. Then let's add a dialogue. Okay, now what should be the dialogue? Let me add. This dialogue for 2 seconds. So I go the event block. I go in looks. I drag Avery says, "Yay, she's singing really well." Now, if I click on the green flag, both of them will speak at the same time, right? So I don't want this to happen. So I'll add an control block, add a wait block over here for 2 seconds, or maybe for 3 seconds. Okay. Now I go in Kia, add an event block over here. I add a dialogue for Kia. I love this song that she is should also add one wait block for Kia. Why? Because she is speaking after Avery and Abby. Okay, so I'll add wait for 5 seconds. Now if I click on the green flag, see the singer is singing and Avery and Abby are giving their dialogues, that is giving their compliments for the singer. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to create the project. Now if I go back, all my 4 points that were given to you, all the 4 challenges or criteria that were given to you were satisfied, right? I may add some more things over here. Maybe I want to add a mic over here, microphone over here. That is your choice, that is my choice if I want to add. Okay, but whatever is shown or whatever criteria is given under that topic, that should be completed. Okay, you can add extra, but the criteria should be completed. That is what the CFU was all about. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.